today I'm gonna be hi guys. Well, sorry. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you the news. This was a long time ago kind of, but double star coin new year offer. There's a lot of new things that came out. They didn't let out a lot of things since October, but yes. We're gonna play Star Stable, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me find it first, because I think that might help. Yeah, I think that might help a lot. Okay, we're gonna play Star Stable. Sorry, that might have hurt your ears. It's just because sorry, I'm moving my mic a lot, so yeah. I'm not putting up the middle finger. Whoa. My fingers connected together. Anyway, so as you guys can see, Star Stable. Anyway, so it's kind of loud in here, but yeah, so remember I'm going to be training. So yeah, I'm going to be training today. I really want to buy this Arabian, but like I've heard that you get like kicked off a lot, so we're not gonna buy one. Yeah, I just don't want to. So we are going to go over here. And we are going to go to what? Where should I go? Yeah, let's go to Starshine Ranch. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're over at Starshine Ranch. We are gonna do all the races. Okay, let's start. Yay, let's press. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. I love doing barrels on horses. I just feel like barrels are special because, yeah. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it it's okay. You guys don't know what I'm talking about, but obviously, I have been wanting to film myself for about a year now. So, yeah. You guys can't hear, but this thing is the loudest thing ever. Like, honestly, I can't even hear myself talking. Like, I have to yell. So, yeah, it's kind of loud in here. But, yeah, darn it. Why does this always happen? I always knock stuff over with this horse, and I don't know. It just has superpowers to knock stuff over. Like, I don't know. And I can't even hear myself. It's literally hurting my ears. Like, does anybody else think that or something? I don't know. It just hurts my ears. This horse is actually kind of fast with the capability. Come on. Thank you. Next race. Yes, I love this race. This is like the best race ever. Honestly, I love this race. Some people hate the race, but honestly, I don't know how would they hate this race. Like, it is the best race ever, so I don't know how they would hate this race. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Uh-oh. 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 Unsteady. No. This always happens to me. I swear. Like, it always happens. Like, on this horse, and no, on all of my horses, it happens. It just automatically happens. Did I not train them right? Did I not give them the medicine they need? Or something? I don't know. Like, it really bothers me that they do that, but honestly, I hate that bridge because some people love it, but honestly, it hurts your head. Like, honestly, it hurts your head. It hurts it. It hurts it. So, yeah. Today we're gonna be doing a movie, like a DIY movie in Star Stable. So please stay tuned. I don't know what horse I'm gonna ride, but I'm really excited. So yeah. It might take like 6 hours or 7 hours to film, but who cares? Honestly, this race is really hard. Darn it! Why does this always happen? I literally do these jumps in real life, literally. Like, I haven't done this one though. It's kind of high. I'm kidding. I've jumped a lot higher. I will show you guys proof that I do ride horses. Just because I want you guys to know that I love horses. So yeah, it is my business too, but I'm offering to show you guys. So like and subscribe if you guys want to hear. Yeah, if you guys want to hear me, well, I did all the races. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wait a sec. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of people here. Okay, we're gonna jump this. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna see if I have any other stuff that I can do. I think I get XP for this. I don't know. I'm gonna stop doing this. Yeah, it's not even a real race, so like come on. Okay, we're gonna travel. And I will be going live tomorrow, just so you know. So, okay, where should I go? I want to see where a quest is this time, because I haven't done a quest with you ever. So yeah. Quest. Claw's story. Okay, we're gonna go to camp. Come on. Oh no, I hate when this happens. It always does this to me. So we don't need to go to a different trailer. Okay. Camp West Fishing. Okay, let's see where the quest is. Claws. I better have not come here for nothing. Sorry, there was a little bit of a glitch there. Where is she? Is this Claus? No. There's a key somewhere? No way. Okay, I'm not gonna read this, but yeah. We're just gonna head over here. So it's right over here together. Let's talk about Star Stable. Like, what do you guys, what do you guys want for Christmas? All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth, my poop front teeth. Darn it. Okay, we're gonna go down here, okay? Thank you. There's footprints. Oh my gosh. There's footprints. Like, is that supposed to be there? Like, footprints? Oh yeah, he was talking about footprints. Wasn't he? Go back in the video and comment if he was. Like, okay, think. Oh my gosh, I didn't know we could go in this beautiful water. Oh my gosh, he left this book. Oh my gosh. That's cool that you left the book. Now I'm going to hack in it. Let's hack. Let's hack through it together. Where is it? Okay. He must have took it because he didn't trust me with it. That was probably why. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Let's just go. I can't pause this video or I'll get kicked out, so it might be really quiet. At least it's not that far away. Like, come on. At least it's not a mile away. Actually, a mile, I don't know. I don't learn that in class, so I don't know. Let's jump this. Jump. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. He actually jumped up the stairs. Okay, let's go to Mr. Claus. Wow, that's not bad. That is my chest. But it's been and of course the key to the skitty is gone. Let's see what else I want to unlock. Yes, we're gonna go back to the beach, I think, and see if he left the key behind. The key. It's kind of far away, ma'am. Like, you expect me to ride all the way up here? Now this is far, like, come on. You're gonna make a princess do that? What that is so rude. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna unlock something soon. Honestly, it's not that far actually.